For the CircuitPython Parsec today, I wanted to talk about the very simple switch to input command that we can use when setting up GPIO pins inside of CircuitPython. So what you see here is I've got a QT RP2040. I have a switch plugged into it, a little button over here, and I have a big 10mm LED. Now, when I set up this button as a input, as a digital input, the traditional, typical way to do this is to set a direction. Is it a input or is it an output? These are general purpose. They can be input, output. So I'm picking pin A1 and I'm saying button direction is digital IO dot direction dot input. And that's based on having imported this digital IO library. Then I also have to set the pull up or pull down resistor state. Does this pin float, does this pin tie to ground or does this pin tie high so that we know when we press the button which way it's going? So in this case it's a pull up. So that's a separate command here. So we've got these two commands that'll set up the button. Now a really nice convenience that we have inside of CircuitPython is to do it in one line. Wow, that's twice as efficient right there. Button is dot switch to input pull equals digital IO pull up. So a single line takes care of both telling this IO pin to be an input as well as the direction of that pull. Now when I press this button, we can see it's going to light up the LED. If I save this code with that switch to input, it works just the same either way, but you get it done in one line. And that is how you can use switch to input on your GPIO pins inside of CircuitPython. And that's your CircuitPython Parsec.